Halfway through a 180-mile bike ride, my body was breaking, but that wasn't the problem. I trained, I prepared, I even had the bike. But what I didn't have was the ability to change gears at the right time. Every uphill came, I was in the wrong gear, too much resistance. Every downhill, I was spinning, going nowhere fast. By the end of day one, I was done, sitting at base camp, in pain, doubting everything. And then I realized this wasn't a cycling problem. I'd been doing this in my career for years, pushing hardest when I needed to recover, coasting when I needed to accelerate, but never actually reading the terrain. The leaders I work with aren't failing because they lack ability. They're failing because they've never learned when to shift. Performance isn't about effort, it's about timing. I'm Chet Hirani, and I see the pattern before you do.